All the candidates are requested to rise, please, so that you may be presented to receive the degrees. Honorable Vice-Chancellor, I, on behalf of the Deans of the Faculties of Agriculture, Arts and Humanities, Medical and Health Sciences, Social Sciences, Pharmacy, and Engineering and Technology, present the candidates who have been duly admitted to receive the degrees of PhD, MPhil, MS, MSc Honors, LLM, MA, MSc, MCom, MBA, MEd, LLB, PharmD, DPT, BS, BSc Honors, BBA Honors, BCom Honors, BEd, BA, and BSc, to which degree I pray they be admitted.
Of the Honorable Chancellor, University of Sargodha, I admit you to the degrees in your relevant disciplines, and in token thereof, I present to you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of this degree.
All the candidates are requested to please be seated. Overall first position holders of each faculty are requested to please assemble near the stage. The Vice-Chancellor is requested to award gold medals to the overall first position holders of each faculty. Overall first faculty-wise first position holders, session 2018. Ifra Karamat, first position, BSc Honors in Food Science and Technology, and overall first position in Faculty of Agriculture 2014 to 2018. Mafia Jaffrey, first position, Master of Arts in Punjabi, and overall first position in Faculty of Arts and Humanities 2016 to 2018. Mudassir Osman, first position, BSc Electrical Engineering, and overall first position in Faculty of Engineering and Technology 2014 to 2018. Farina Abbas, first position, Doctor of Pharmacy, and overall first position in Faculty of Pharmacy 2013 to 2018. Vimal Ishaq, first position, Master of Science in Zoology, and overall first position in Faculty of Sciences 2016 to 2018. Therapy, and overall first position in Faculty of Medical and Health Sciences 2018. Shahla Riaz, first position BSc Honors in Agriculture and overall first position in Faculty of Agriculture 2015 to 2019. Muhammad Ilyas, first position in Master of Arts in Punjabi and overall first position in Faculty of Arts and Humanities 2017 to 2019. Omar Farooq, first position BSc Civil Engineering and overall 2015 to 2019. Homa Zafar, first position in Doctor of Pharmacy and overall first position in Faculty of Pharmacy 2014 to 20. Yes, in Mathematics and overall first position in Faculty of Sciences 2015 to 2019. Rabia Fatma, first position in Master of Arts in Pakistan Studies and overall first position in Faculty of Social Sciences 2017 to 2019. And Rida Aziz, first position in Doctor of Physical Therapy and overall first position. The candidates of degree of PhD are requested to please assemble near the stage. The Vice Chancellor is requested to award degrees of PhD. Faculty of Agriculture, Muhammad Jafar Hussain, Agri Entomology. Hafiz Khurram Sharjeel, PhD, Agri Entomology. Saqib Rahman, Food Science and Technology. Azia Yaqub, Food Science and Technology. Sayyida Technology. Abdul Khalik, Agri Entomology. Muhammad Shehzad Akbar, Agri Entomology. Muhammad Mubashir Hussain, Plant Breeding and Genetics. Waqas Raza, Plant Pathology. Muhammad Awais Paracha, Soil Science. Rosina Kasmi, Horticulture. Muhammad Wajid Khan, Horticulture. Amir Nawaz, Plant Breeding and Genetics. Faculty of Arts and Humanities, Abdul Rauf Bajwa, Islamic Studies. Muhammad Ramzan, Islamic Studies. Amna Urdu. Arshad Mahmood, Urdu. Mubashir Nazir, Islamic Studies. Rafiuddin, Islamic Studies. Abdul Ghafoor, Islamic Studies. Islamic Studies. Khalid Mahmood Arif, Islamic Studies. Muhammad Tariq Ramzan, Islamic Studies. Nasir Mahmood, Urdu. Faculty of Social Sciences, Khalid Javed, Economics. Safana Shaheen, Economics. Saifullah, Economics. Sher Muhammad, Political Science. Sadia Niazi, Psychology. Misbah Asma Khizr, Education. Muhammad Riaz, Education. Tariq Mansoor, Education. Muhammad Pervez, Education. Meher Mohsen Raza, Education. Faculty of Sciences, Sayyida Nadia Ahmed, Zoology. Zulfikar Ali, Botany. Safdar Ali, Mathematics. Muhammad Yassin, Mathematics. Naila Riaz, Zoology. Asif Abbas Shah, Botany. Farzana Shaheen, Botany. Humaira Nawaz, Botany. Maria Nawaz, Botany. Muhammad Said Ahmed, Chemistry. Bilal Ahmed Lodhi, Chemistry. Shahida Perveen, Chemistry. Zain Maqsood Chima, Chemistry. Tanzeel Iqbal, Chemistry. Mathematics. Tasadduq Niaz, Mathematics. Amir Abbas, Mathematics. And thank you.